Sorry guys. So part one. So now part one. So now I'm gonna be showing you my suitcase. Oh, actually, this is part two. So part two, I'm gonna be showing you my suitcase. It's very much. I'm scared. Mom, you packed my notebook.
So that you can doodle when you're bored on the plane or in London. You can doodle. Careful.
Whoa. So this is what I packed. I packed this dress in case I want to be like a model in the house. Or I might not even use it. So then we have all of my clothes. My pajamas are here. And my play clothes because they have a play area. I'm gonna be there for 1 month. And wait, Mom, how many outside clothes did you put?
5.
But I thought 7. I thought 7.
Oh yeah, 7.
Okay, so Papang said we have to bring my grandpa said we have to only bring 7 outside clothes and 7 pantulog, and pantulog means pajamas. So 7 pajamas, 7 outside clothes, and 1 ribbon because one is up there. It's up there if you can see. It's up there. Yeah. So then I'm gonna put it. So then I have my doodle in case I'm bored on the plane. It's my Merry Christmas gift from Kids Church from my church. Because I'm a kid and I have church. So 7 outside clothes, 7 pajamas, and 7 panties, and 7 socks. Yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna. Oh wait. Ugh. Okay. Mom, what luggage is that? Who's that for? The luggage there. Who's that for?
Ate Maya.
Oh, but Maya has the small package. Maya has the small blue suitcase.
Yeah, I don't know if she's gonna pack more. Because she has a lot of stuff, right? She has makeup and stuff.
Oh, yeah. My sister brings makeup every time. So we're leaving tomorrow morning at what time, Mom?
9 in the morning.
9?
Mm-hmm.
Mom, I wake up at 12.
So you have to sleep early then.
I'm not ready to sleep early right now. Okay. Anyways. That's all of my pages. And then I'm going to show you this part. You're thinking it's just for decoration. But that hurts. I think I packed too many clothes. Look at this. I packed a Mickey Mouse dress, pants, and a lot of stuff. And then this is my play clothes. And yeah, all ready. I packed it last night. That was when practice happened. Mom, why don't we have church on Saturday? Why don't we have church on Saturday?
Because more people are available on Friday, so that's why we do church on Friday.
But is the owner of the church allowing it? Yeah? He allows it? last time we lived in a different church for 5 months, and now we're back. It feels different. It feels different that we're not. It feels different because like we've been to the new church for 5 months. Okay. And Mom, what time are we leaving for church? What time are we leaving for church?
What time are we leaving the church?
Yeah. No, what time are we going to the church? Wait, is Ashley coming to church? Mom, huh?
Yeah.
But what about her dad? What about her dad?
Yeah, he is.
But the hospital post.
He's not in the hospital, honey. He was at home.
Oh, then. Oh, okay, I get you
You
now.
thought she was in the hospital?
Huh?
You thought she was in the hospital?
No, yeah, I did. Oopsies. I can't even fit in their suitcase. They only packed this little. Mom, you didn't pack much.
Yeah,
I
need much.
So you're just gonna bring that? Oh. Okay, yeah, I think she's bringing more. And then this was the slide I was talking about, and I was writing it. I made 2 videos about it. No, 1 short and 1 video. And yeah, I was gonna bring something, but then I thought it wasn't allowed, so. But I'm gonna show you guys my snack box. No, I'm not gonna right now. No. So I don't think I need much because I think I have already enough clothes. So I think I have enough clothes already, so yeah. This is me. I don't give in, I don't give a play. Wait, stop it. Okay, good. I don't give in, I don't give a play. Stop. It's a Polaroid. It's a cool info with your 30 paper ball. Okay, whatever. So this is me. Hi guys. It's in 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4. Wow. Yay, party. Whoa. Okay, anyways. This is for my sister. Imagine if I dropped my mom's phone. Bye guys. I think I'm gonna make a video in the airport. Mama, I'm so excited. Look, their luggage is so big that I can even fit in their luggage. Ah. Now, I can even fit in their luggage, or I can even sleep here. But it's time to see if I can. I feel like Sophie Dawson. I don't know. It's with the cover.
Oh yeah, where's the cover? Why? It's not there.
Oh. I did it! So that if they're breaking this suitcase, I could just like, and then I could wake up and like, are we there? And then my mom's gonna be like, what? Why are you here? And I'm just like gonna sleep. I'm gonna sleep for a little bit.
I've done this before. but-
Morning, guys. Oh, okay. I think that was quick. Okay. Ow! Ow! I cannot get up. Cannot get up. Oh! Ow! I almost pulled my hair out. So, ow! Oh my gosh. That was a rough start. I'm just gonna go up my. Anyways, I'm gonna go this thing. So like when I'm just like sleeping, I can be, My mom said, "Come on, we're gonna be late for the airport," and then I just, whoa. I'm ready. Your pieces and I can't go back, but now I'm seeing. Okay, now bye.